You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.
Hello and welcome to scenario number 5, Managing Service Request in Jira Service Management. Let's move ahead and perform this scenario. To perform this scenario, we first need to log in as Brian Tracy. So here if you see, I am logged in as Brian Tracy and this is home.atlassian. We'll click on top left corner just next to home. Click on Jira Service Management. In Help Center, we'll click on NetSoft IT Service Management. We are going to click on under Computers. We will look for New Software. Request a new software. This was step number 1. As a part of step number 2, we will raise the request. Summary is request license for Office 365. We'll give the same in the description as well. Scroll down and we'll click on send. Request is raised. We'll click on top right corner on profile and then we'll click on request. We have a request generated. NISM 8. Let's make a note of it. Scenario. Just for our reference, okay? Scenario 05 NISM-8. Just for our reference. I used to have this tracking like whenever a request is raised or whenever I am raising a request, I used to keep a track of it in Notepad. Okay, so now let's move ahead. To perform the next step, which is step number 3, we need to close this first and log in as Bill Walsh. Let's log in as Bill Walsh. As you can see, I am logged in as Bill Walsh. We'll go to Jira Service Management. Jira Service Management. We'll click on NetSoft IT Service Management. In left panel, we are going to expand service request. Next left panel, you see service request. Click on service request, just expand it. Expand default, click on open service request. You have one service request, remember NISM 8, click on this. The very first step, assign to me, done. Next step, which is step number 4, we are going to change priority. Priority would be high, urgency would be high, impact would be significant large. And we will change the status from waiting for support to in progress. We will click on reply to customer and we'll say acknowledged. Click on in progress. This was step number 4 that we have performed. Let's move ahead and perform the next step. To perform next step, in right panel, we are going to expand more fields. Under more fields, we are going to add Bruce Lee as request participants. In team, we are going to add NetSoft IT infrastructure team. Now, these 2 tasks are done. Under activity, in the middle panel, under activity, we are going to click on reply to customer. We are validating the required license, something on those lines. Okay, click on save. And now we are going to provide internal note. Click on add internal note. Need to validate the license Click on save. This is done. This is internal note. Now let's move ahead and perform step number 6, which is to change the status from in progress to pending. Let's change the status from in progress to pending. In pending reason, we will give the reason as awaiting approval, and in reply to customer, we have requested the line manager approval. One of the common thing for pending. Click on pending. Done. Now let's move ahead and perform next step. To perform next step, we need to log in as Brian Tracy. I have a login session of Brian Tracy in incognito window. Brian Tracy, this is home.atlassian. And now what we are going to do is that we will open Jira Service Management from top left corner. Click on 4 blocks, Jira Service Management. And we are going to click on NetSoft. Okay. Click on top right corner. Click on request. We have a request over here. It says pending. Click on this request. Let's check the agent's comment or technical support team's comment. We are validating required license, acknowledge, validating required license. We have requested the line manager approval. We have requested the line manager approval. This is done. We'll close this window and we will switch to Bill Walsh browser window. Let's go over here. Now, we are going to change the status from pending to in progress and click on reply customer. We will say that approval received on the email. So from the line manager, might be you have received the approval. Let's click on in progress. Under activity, we are now going to add internal note. Processing the request. That's it. Click on save. This is done. Now let's move ahead. After this updating, like we have updated from pending to in progress, we have informed customer, we have informed internal team. Now let's move ahead and resolve this request. For that, we are going to click on in progress and then we will click on resolve this issue. Under resolution, we will select done and we are going to reply customer. Request is completed. Click on resolve this issue. This is done. Top left corner, if you see resolved is there, resolved. Click on resolved and from drop down we are going to select close. Now ensure that status of this request is showing as closed. Let's move ahead and perform the next task. For the next step, we need to log in as Brian Tracy and we will see the status of this request, which is service request. I will go to that previous window again, which is opened in incognito, Brian Tracy, home.atlassian. Let's go to Jira Service Management and click on top right corner, profile menu, click on request. There is no request as of now. Click on this drop down of status, uncheck open and select closed. So now if you see, NISM 8 is showing closed. Let's open this request and we'll see over here, request is completed. Review all the request, all the comments that is provided in this scenario. With this, we have completed this scenario. In this scenario, we saw how to raise a service request. We saw the same request from two different consoles. One is as a Bill Walsh, who is a system admin or a technical support. And then we saw that same request from the view or the console of customer, which is Brian Tracy. That's it for this scenario. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftatacademy.com. www.netsoftatacademy.com.